What else we got for us, Kent? Let's go with that one.
I hate the weed too hard. You send an 8-minute voice, don't straight from the heart. I reply like, yo, whatever. When can you come get your stuff? I need this shit out the crib. I think it's bringing bad luck. Plug in, now you're lit. I pull the plug, now you're stuck. Dignity over a nut. Weak man out in the cut. How many doors are they shut? How many feathers they pluck? Rap game like my sleeping pattern, cause how the fuck I'm still up? Yeah, niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language. Yeah. How the fuck I'm still up?
Hey, yo, man. Yo, call it what you want. You got the boy rapping again. That's cool. I'm okay with that. These are throwaways. His throwaways are slaps.